Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Nissan Micra here. Just going to show you a quick trick on this. If say you've got a central locking on your car, this is the keys. You press the button, it unlocks the car, and then it locks the car. But you can see here, this car's having trouble with the central locking at the moment. And to open the doors, as you'd see, this is a bit where you usually put the key in and unlock it, but you don't have anything here, so you can't really put your keys on this side. Even the boot, you don't have nothing to sort of put your key in, right? And the passenger door as well, as you would see, it's the same thing. But with the passenger door, all you do, if you see on the bottom of this, you see that little hole? So if you get your key, which you're using at the moment, so if you get your key and gently pull this backwards and then take it out, you've got to be very gentle so you don't want to break it. That's where you can slot your keys in and unlock the car. That's it. So you see that's done, and that's locked as well, yeah? That's only in case of emergency. If your battery packs up or your center locking packs up, you can always unlock your car. There's always a way to unlock it. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.